is going on, guys? I'm hoping everybody is staying safe and doing super duper well during this time, but guess what? We are back with another video, and if you're looking to be a hot boy for a cheap ass price, this is not the video for you unless you want it to be. On another note, I want to thank Home Depot for not being a sponsor of today's video because they ruined my childhood dreams of building a tree house with my toothpick ass tree that can be held together using zip ties. The closest thing to us desert folk have to a tree is the Joshua tree, and I'm not naming my tree house Joshua. But anyways, with Home Depot, Lowe's, or Ace Hardware being the manufacturer of your purchased product, there are a variety of options you can do to make your vehicle pop at a very affordable price because you are the creator of what you are building and designing. Let's get one thing clear. Since you're creating this product in your own way, there aren't any instructions. This isn't a coloring book where you color in between the lines. You got to create it as you see fit. But like a coloring book, on the other hand, you got to give it detail to what looks best for you. One important note I would like to point out is I highly do not recommend modifying any mechanical or moving parts because they are tested and designed by professionals to give you the best performance overall to keep you safe on the road at all times so you don't lose any body parts whatsoever. What we'll be diving into today are the so-called side skirts on this Mustang. The material this is made out of is PVC, and this has a sort of 90-degree L shape to it that extends down about 1 inch to 1.5 inches from the ground, which gives you this low appearance without sacrificing ride quality from lowering your springy boy coilovers and risking damaging expensive parts that are unnecessary to replace. From doing that, you really would be taking an L. What is nice about this PVC edging that is on the side of the car is that it's cheap. It's been about 2 years, so if you know the exact price of the product, please leave a comment in the comment section down below if you know the exact price to help a boy out. I don't remember it being too expensive by any means, and to add to it, if it does get damaged, you aren't breaking the bank to get it fixed. It's always in stock and easy to get. Color match, no problem. Sand that sucker down and paint it whatever color you want. Other benefits from this product is that it looks OEM with a little bit of salt and pepper to give it that little bit of extra flavor that you've been looking for on an OEM product. From the 2 years that I've had this on my car, on the other hand, I've never once had an issue of it cracking or breaking on me. This material is strong and can withstand harsh elements on the road from what I have experienced. Another great thing about this product is that it acts as a guard to your rocker panel so it doesn't get damaged from debris that you're driving through on the road. The question you may be asking yourself is, how do you install it? And I found one way works better than others, and that is adding screws at each end of the PVC, as well as adding a couple screws on every couple of feet so the whole thing can stay compressed evenly. Yes, you could put two-sided tape on the side skirt, but I have found that if you add way too much tape, then it's going to be a hell to take off. And if you add way too little, you have a possibility under heavy vibrations or objects in its way that the side skirt will fall off on the road and will cause more of a headache than you want to even put time into. With every positive, there's always a negative. And I have found that if you were to place this car on a lift, on the other hand, with the side skirts, then you're going to end up having an issue where once that car goes in contact with the lift, the side skirts will tend to bow out or it'll bow in. And the reason for that is because the side skirts are not flat and it will end up causing permanent damage, and it is not a pleasant sight to see. Other negatives I have found with these side skirts as well is that depending on how low your car is will determine of how difficult it is to place a jack on your car. Depending on how low your car is to the ground, and adding this little bit more of the body to your car also determines how easy it is to get a jack under your car. And there's also solutions to that as well, where you could place wood under your car to give your car a little bit more height so you can place a jack under there, which I have found the easiest to do. But also, if you have a low profile jack as well, it makes it easier as well to get under those little tight spaces and jack up your car like no problem whatsoever. Overall, if you're looking for something affordable, give your car that little bit of extra spice it's been begging for, but also not sacrifice that OEM look of your vehicle, I would not overlook this method. Leaving off on a positive note, thank you for watching this video, and please leave a like and a comment down below, and please let me know what you guys thought of this, or if you have any questions in general about the side skirts. And this helps more than you guys think. And the reason I'm saying that is because it seems like all the YouTubers say it, and so I'm just gonna say it just because. But another thing I want to shout out to you guys as well, I see a lot of you guys are DMing me and commenting in the comment section about what you guys like on the car, or just reaching out to me about anything about just what I've done, or just any video recommendations. So I appreciate all of you guys doing that. Big shout out to you guys. I am really enjoying that interaction, and I'm hoping to get a lot more of you guys that are trying to shoot me some questions or just suggestions or just saying what's up. So please hit me up on Instagram or just in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to respond right back to you guys. Thank you guys all so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.